Hello, my name is Jimena and I'm going to talk about my recipe. My recipe is the apple cake. You need the ingredients are 6 apples, 150 grams of flour, 150 grams of sugar, 150 of milk, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a lemon, yeast, 60 of olive oil, and 3 eggs. The equipment: a bowl, a grater, a spatula, a purse, and a baking tray. Preparation time 35 minutes and cooking time 50 minutes. Instructions: first, peel the apples and slice them and we put them with lemon juice in the bowl. Second, we prepare the mixture with the beaten eggs and add the flour, yeast, sugar, and the milk. Later, we add the cinnamon, the lemon zest, and the oil. Third, we mix the apples with the other mixture. And fourth, we put all the mixture in the baking tray and we cook it in the oven for about 15 minutes and turn on 108. Thank you for watching, and I would like that you try it at home. Bye.